Hello and welcome. I have the STREBITO electric precision screwdriver set here. This is a self-powered screwdriver meant for disassembling fine electronic components such as this iPhone here. We'll demonstrate on that a little bit later. This is the empty box. As you can see, just a nice clean box, nice small kit. Comes with this hard shell. This means you can take it with you to the job site, depending on what you're doing. You can see very durable. It's going to hold up. You don't have to worry about the pieces falling out everywhere. We'll open this guy up here. A nice good kit. Magnetic mat, that type of stuff. General instructions on what types of pieces are in there, but we're going to go through that ourselves. As you can see, this is a 155 piece set. So if you can't do it with this, working on any type of a precision electronic, you know, it's got to be something incredibly complex, because this tool set should do it all. It's got all the pieces you would need, every individual bit type, 135 of these different bit types. You can see there's security bits here. We've got odd, you know, the triangle lobe. We've got the traditional Phillips. We've got star bits. We've got security hex bits. All kinds of stuff that you typically don't see in most of these types of kits. We also have a couple of the most common bits in a longer format for difficult to reach places. But as you can see, it's a very nicely organized. You know, this is kind of the star player of the show here. I will pull this out and show you the electric bit driver. This is a 650 milliamp, so it's got a good battery life on it. It demonstrates 3 different modes. If you look at it here, the very bottom one here, this is for the, this will provide the most torque, forward and backwards. This would be more of a, I believe it's the 0.7 Newton meter. We go to the middle setting, and that's going to be medium speed, medium torque, and that's going to be the 0.35 or 0.3 Newton meter. And then we have the high speed, which is a 0.15, but this is the one that you really use for, you know, when you're driving and unscrewing stuff that you've already kind of worked on, but it'll spin the bit very quickly. And let me just grab one of these guys here to demonstrate that rotation. All the pieces stay in there. But like that, the different set we've got the little suction cup. We have accessories, different types of picks and flattening tools. We of course have the traditional manual set, which is you know, for unlocking those hard to loosen screws. We have a you know, bendable cable to reach, you know, difficult to reach areas. Let's say you're working on like a furnace panel or some kind of electrical server system. This is going to be perfect for that. It all packs up in here really nicely, as you can see there. We've got different types of pry bars, picks, tools, tweezers, spatulas, spud bars, for lack of a better term. We have a magnetizing area there, so, you know, if you're not being able to pick up the screws well with it, you simply put it into the magnetizing section, rub it back and forth a little bit, and now you have a magnetized piece to pick up screws. And you see how easy and fast that was. Obviously, this isn't the right bit for that, but it demonstrates the purpose. And I just wanted to show you the rotation speed here. You know, we go down to the slower one with more torque, goes forward, goes backwards, gives you a little light to work with. This is an awesome tool. Makes a lot of this work much faster, much easier. So the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to start to demonstrate this a little bit. I need a PH000, and I simply look down at my little chart here, and it has all of the bits are labeled underneath, and on top of that they have the nice stamping right in the bit here as well. Very clear, easy to see under good light. You can see it's S2 steel, you know, Phillips head, 000 size. So I put that in here, again, magnetic tip. Grab this guy over, we start working on this iPhone. I've got some pieces to remove, so I'm going to set it to the higher torque setting. Might need to magnetize this one a little bit more here. Brush it quickly into the magnetizing area. We'll go to the next one and loosen this one. This one's a frame screw, so it might be a little bit more difficult to loosen, but the tool does it very quickly. And you can see after I magnetized it, the tool bit holds the screw. Place it over on your little map there. Loosen a couple more of these just to demonstrate how easy it is to work with this. We'll reset this one, and we'll actually drive this one back in. just to again show you the reassembly process, because of course anytime you work with this stuff you want to put it back together once it's fixed. So here you go. Again, awesome little tool, LED lights, everything about it, super durable, tons of options here. Again, every bit type you could possibly want. We've got different types of magnetic pickup tools. We've got, you know, reverse hexes. I mean, it's anything you need to take apart, this tool is going to be able to do it for you. So again, 60-minute charging time with a traditional USB-C. Very awesome tool. Great little kit, super compact, does everything you need to do with it. Highly recommend checking this out. Go and pick one up.